How to change your profile photo on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile photo on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click this one, this 3 points here, and now click this one here, and then click here, here, this one, profile photo, and then just click choose photo, and then choose any photo you want, and then just save it, and it will be done. And that's how to change your profile photo on Zoom mobile. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.